So how to find real why in your life? Real why. So in this video, I'm going to give you some deep points, and these points will help you if you're looking to go deep and find real why of your life. Right now, I'm in McLeodganj Naddi village, so I'm just going for a walk. I'm in a solo trip, and I came here for to run a massive business growth intensive for my customers. So I did for first day, second day will start. So now I'm free, and I'm having a walk, and I want to shoot this video for you. So let's talk about कैसे अपने लाइफ का वाई पता लगाएं. So there are two kind of why in life. One why is for other people, which is the external why, and I say it's a fake furgy why. Is to show other people, and second why is your real why. Okay, so let's talk about the first why is the external why, the furgy why is to show other people. Then I will tell you the real why. सी आज के टाइम में जिस सोसाइटी में मैं और आप रहते हैं वहाँ पे ना बहुत कुछ दिखावटी बाजी बहुत ज़्यादा है. आई थिंक दिस एक्सटर्नल थिंग्स और यू कैन से द स्नोवेस थिंग, जो ऊपरी से सब कुछ अच्छा है अंदर वैसा अच्छा होगा ये सोच के हमें बताया जाता है, बट दैट्स नॉट ट्रू. जो चीज़ें बाहर से अच्छी दिखती हैं डज नॉट गारंटी दैट वो अंदर से भी अच्छी होंगी. सो मोस्ट पीपल आर इन ट्रैप and trap of trying to impress other people. Hey, look what I am doing. Look how great I am. Look how much money I have. Look how much success I have. So we are trying to impress other people. And that's called your furgy why. That's called your external why, which something is not coming from inside you. It's not coming from your heart and soul, but you are trying to show other people. And that's the problem. That is the एक्सटर्नल वाई, द फर्जी वाई. एंड डोंट बी ऑन दैट ट्रैप. और अगर आप उस ट्रैप में फंस चुके हो तो आई विल हेल्प यू टू गेट आउट ऑफ दैट इन दिस वीडियो ओनली. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट थिंग एक्सटर्नल वाई, फेक वाई, फर्जी वाई, डोंट गो. द सेकेंड, नाउ कम टू द सेकेंड पॉइंट, दैट्स कॉल्ड योर रियल वाई. एंड द रियल वाई माई फ्रेंड इज योर रियल वाई कैन नेवर कम फ्रॉम योर माइंड. वाई? Because your mind is a condition. Your mind is already programmed. It's a conditioned monkey mind. और अगर आपका conditioned monkey mind आपको real भाई आपको लाइफ में दे सकता होता तो अब तक आप अपना real भाई पता लगा चुके होते. Yes or yes? So your real why only come when you go deep, when you are totally away from this daily routine life, when you are like when your normal thought frequency which is going in your mind, when you are away from that, when you're not thinking about your survival, because survival mechanism will never give you your real why. Make sense? So you have to be in a different zone. अब उसके लिए आपको हिमालय जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. You don't have to go to Himalaya to you can just do one thing. You can I will tell you the process for that, but let's first understand the concept level. Okay, so your real why will only come from where? It will come from your soul. It will come from your heart. Now, many people think that they are their mind, but they don't understand the difference between their mind and soul. Okay, so if you want to find your real why, then you have to go deep to your soul level and ask this question to yourself, that why I want what I want. Who am I? What I want. What makes me happy? What I like, what I love. And then forget about what other people will think about you. So other people क्या सोचेंगे आपके बारे में, that's none of your business. Okay, that's the external why. All you think, what do you really want? When you are totally alone, you don't have to like impress anybody. Then what do you want? Okay, and then once you go deep and once you ask this question to yourself, okay, so what I really want from my life, and then your monkey man will say, shut up, boss, I have to pay my bills. कल ऑफिस जाना है, ये होगा वो होगा. It's okay. Still ask to yourself, what do I want from my life? What makes me happy? Why I'm here? Am I here to waste my time, waste my life? Or am I here to live a meaningful life? What does you really want? Ask yourself. And now, once you ask yourself what I want, why I want, who am I, why I'm here, what do I want, पता है क्या होगा? You will be little disturbed because आपका माइंड बोलेगा यार वापस आ जाओ उसी ट्रैक पे. एंड उसके लिए आपको थोड़ा सा हटना पड़ेगा, थोड़ा सा अपने आप को उस भागम भाग लाइफ से आपको थोड़ा सा साइड करना पड़ेगा. यू हैव टू स्टॉप एंड थिंक. मोस्ट पीपल डोंट थिंक, दे नेवर थिंक. यू नो व्हाई? Because thinking is hard. Thinking is hard. It is really hard. So if you want to find your real why, you just have to do very simple thing. Stop doing things to please other people. I'm talking to you. Stop doing things to please other people. That's it. And then see how your game change. Did you see the beauty behind me? It's a Naddi village. It's a very, very beautiful place. I come every year here. And अभी 2 साल गैप हो गया because of this some COVID and all. So I love this place. And in fact, if I tell you about my life, my story, then my life changed when I came to here, this place in McLeodganj, on a solo trip. And I asked this kind of question to myself. Okay. Now you don't have to come here. You can do this by जहाँ भी आप हैं and asking this question to yourself and see, finding your real why and doing what you love is not becoming sannyasi and sannyas. I'm not saying that. Okay. Don't be on the dilemma that I'm going to tell you no सब कुछ मोह माया है, सब छोड़ दो, बकवास, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. All I'm telling you is to focus what you want, what you like, and live a life with a real purpose, real meaning, and make a lot of money, be successful, have massive success, and enjoy life. That's only possible when you're coming from true inside and you are not coming from the fear side. Okay? So I think I have given you some ideas, some points. You should implement it right now. And now it's cold, so let me have a nice cup of tea or coffee. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you very much. You can subscribe this channel if you like. You can give me thumbs up, you give me comments. See? All the best. Take care. God bless.